Hey, this is Mr. Wyrick, and I'm just making a short video showing you how to go over this review, hoping you'll be ready for tomorrow's test. The first one says, what would be a line that goes through 0, 4, and 5, 8? I'm going to make a small table, 0, 4, 5, 8. I'm going to get my change in y over my change in x. So my change in y from 4 to 8 is plus 4. My change in y from 0 to 5 is plus 5. So I know it's going to start with y is equal to, this would be 4 over 5, so 4 over 5x. And then normally, like the paper we had today, we would have to work to find the y-intercept. But in this case, this number here with the 0 is my y-intercept. It's a 0, 4, so that's going to be plus 4. This is my line. Second question, how can you tell the y-intercept of a line written in y equals mx plus b form? The y-intercept of a line written in this form, this is called slope-intercept form. So this number that's written here as the b is your y-intercept. So on our example where it says y equals 3x plus 2, this plus 2 would be my y-intercept. That's 0 and a positive 2. There's my y-intercept. How do you write the equation given a slope and a y-intercept? What would be a line that has a y-intercept of 3 and a slope of 7? Again, this goes back to y equals mx plus b. This is slope-intercept form. So if they tell me the slope is 7, that goes where my m would be, my slope. If they tell me my y-intercept is 3, that would be where my b value goes. That's my 3 right here. So this is y equals 7x plus 3. Write the equation of a horizontal line and a vertical line. We talked about this today in class. A horizontal line is y equals some number, any number, doesn't matter what it is. That would make a horizontal line. And then a vertical line, x is equal to some number. Don't get them mixed up. Remember, the x goes with vertical, the y goes with horizontal. How can you tell if a slope is positive or negative? Generally, if you're drawing the graph, if it goes uphill, that would mean it is a positive slope. And if it goes downhill going left to right, that is a negative slope. But if they give you a table, if they give you an equation, anything like that, if your change in y over change in x, your slope, ends up a negative number, that's going to be a negative slope. It's going to give you a downhill graph. If your change in y over change in x comes up positive, then it's going to be an uphill graph. It's going to be a positive slope. Be very careful if your change in y over change in x is something like we had today on the paper that was negative 3 over negative 2. A negative divided by a negative makes a positive, so that would be 3 over 2, which is a positive slope. Then the last one here, there's going to be one like this on the test. How do you find the slope from a table? We look at our changes, and I can pick anywhere, but as I look at this, every single time, this is going up 6. It's adding 6. And then this one, every single time, is adding 2. So my change in y goes over my change in x. That would be a change of 6 over a change of 2. And this one will reduce. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so this would be a slope of 3. Hopefully this will help guide you through tomorrow's test, and good luck.